Hi, hello, namaskara. In today's session, we are again continuing with the chapter number 3, that is current electricity. In that, we are focusing on carbon resistor. Actually, in today's session, we are taking the what are the types of the resistors. In that, we are studying a carbon resistor. Okay, about that we study in detail. Now, let us start with that. Okay, here we are using the word as a resistor. Okay, there is one basic difference between the resistors and the resistance. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಈ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು ಅ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ whose function in a circuit is to provide a specified value of the resistance is called what now here? Resistor. Okay, it will help to increase the resistance of the circuit or to decrease the resistance of the circuit. Okay, now by using that we have to go through what are the types of the resistor. There are basically two types of the resistor. First one is wire wound resistor, that is by winding the wires on an alloy will gives us a what now here? Wire wound resistor. By winding the wires on any alloy will results in what now here? Wire wound resistor. For example, this is the one of the example we are calling it as a rheostat. We are calling it as a rheostat. If you remember in your 10th class, you are having one notation something like this one now. Okay, this is the actual notation for what now? Rheostat. And this rheostat is one type of the wire bound resistor, otherwise wire wound resistor. Similar, this one is the classical diagram for what now here? Wire wound resistor. Similarly, the bulb what we are using, okay, that is also a one type of the wire wound resistor which contains that tungsten ton. Okay, it's a wrong spelling I have written, it's a tungsten ton. Okay, similarly we are having another diagram. Okay, this is also one type of the wire wound resistor. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ I think some of you may get that where we are using generally in any electrical apparatus we are having some knob. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಟೇಪ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ನಾಬ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆ ನಾಬ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ವೈರ್ ವುಂಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, this will help us to increase or decrease the volume in any network. Okay, this is how we can use this wire bound resistor. But ನಮ್ದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಇರೋದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ resistor. The resistor is having a set of coaxial color that forms a what now here? Carbon resistor. Okay, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the carbon resistor is of very small size. It is of very small size, nearly to the size of one grain, otherwise the rice grain we can say. To that extent of smaller size the carbon resistor is. Okay, and from the diagram you can see this is the example for the carbon resistor. And in the practical application where we can say different types of the carbon resistors we are using, here also you can see these are what now here? Carbon resistors. Okay, okay, there are and some other components like that is a capacitor also you are having. Okay, here we are having some ICs also, but in details we are doing in your further classes. Okay, similarly here also you are getting what now here? Carbon resistor. It is more clear now. Okay, generally it is made up of what now? Ceramic material. Generally it is made up of ceramic material. Okay, if I see the basic application of this one, from this one I can obtain the resistance of a value of mega ohms also. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಕಿಲೋ ಓಮ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ 1 ಮೆಗಾ ಓಮ್ ತನಕನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? ನಾ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೈರ್ ವುಂಡ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬಲ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. Okay, then if I see how it will be look like physically, here in the diagram we can say it is having generally made up of ceramic material and which is provided with two wires which are coming out which will help us to make any connection with any network. Okay, but if you see, it is having some different colors, right? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರು ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ there is another color. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ here we can see that is color 1, and this one is a color 2, and this one is a color 3, and here we are having another color. Okay, if I show you here, it will be somewhere here now. Okay, here this one is a color. Okay, this is a silver and gold. You may get now silver or gold. This is the fourth color, remember. Therefore totally there are how many colors in there? There are totally 4 colors. Okay, each color defines some different number. That is first 2 number. Okay, that is one number, another number. I'll write it here in terms of n. First number, second number, they are also called as a significant figures. Thereafter we are having a multiplier. Thereafter we are having a multiplier. Thereafter we are having a tolerance. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೆಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕೆಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್. Okay, these are the wires which has been provided now. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲಿ 3 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಲರ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ, ಬರೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ, ಬರೇ ನಂಬರ್. These numbers are running from what now here 0 to 9, and each number is having a particular color. Similarly, the third one is a multiplier. Third one is a multiplier. Multiplier ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10 raised to something ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 raised to 0 ಇಂದ 10 raised to 9 ತನಕ ನಾವೇನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ನನಗೆ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 colors we are having, that is gold and actually silver. Another option will be there, that will be the no color. And this tolerance is provided in terms of what now here, percentage. For this one gold I think it is 5%, for silver it is somewhere 10%. Okay, this is how we are having. For this one we are having a chart. You must remember this chart. Let us see that what is that chart now. Okay, here we can get now, that is black color. Okay, black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, white, gold. Okay, thereafter silver and no color. Here one point we can see, that is black color is provided with how much number now, 0 number, and it is having a multiplier as what now here, 1. Similarly, brown is having a number of how much here, 1, and thereafter it is corresponding multiplier is how much now, 10 raised to 1. If I take the blue color, that is also same. Blue color is having a number of 6, and it is having corresponding multiplier as 10 raised to 6. Okay, similarly we are having a last column as a tolerance, that is gold is having somewhere 5%. Gold is having somewhere 5%. Similarly, silver is having a 10%, and no color. Okay, when there is no presence of color, that is having a 20%, but generally we'll neglect it. Okay, as I told you, you must remember all these colors. Therefore we are having a shortcut for this one. Okay, that is a very well known shortcut. That is you must remember this in this way somewhere. Okay, that is the shortcut for this one, that is BB Roy. BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. That is, this is for the black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray, and the white. Okay, this is how you can remember. Therefore here we are having another short form, BB Roy, Great Britain, very good wife. Okay, corresponding to that we are having at the end a gold and silver. Okay, this is how you can remember this one. Okay, this is a shortcut. By using this one we are solving some numericals, because by using this color coding only we can say what is the value of the given resistor. ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿರಾಮಿಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ, ಆ ಕಲರ್ ಏನು ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕಲರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದ್ರ 5 ಓಮ್ ಇದೆನೋ, 1 ಕಿಲೋ ಇದೆನೋ, 100 ಕಿಲೋ ಇದೆನೋ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂತ ಈ ಕಲರ್ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, in this diagram we can see here, that is we are provided with the first three colors, that is red ಮತ್ತೆ red ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay, totally what we are having, how many rings here, 4 rings. ಮೊದಲೇ 3 rings ಮೂರು ಕೂಡ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ red ಅದ. Okay, and fourth one is a silver. Then how to write it now? Then how to write it? There is one method to write it always. Okay, I'll show you that. That is, if this one is a carbon resistor, okay, first two colors with the number, again I am repeating, first two colors with the number and third color with the multiplier, third color with the multiplier and fourth color with the tolerance. Okay, there with this idea we had to write the color number of what is the value of resistance. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಒಂದು ಕಲರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕಲರ್ ಕೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ, ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇದರ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. therefore ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ನಾವ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ರೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಲರ್ ಅದ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2. therefore ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ನಾವ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ 2. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್, ಮತ್ತೇನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ನಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ನಾವ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ರೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಏನದ, 10⁻². 10⁻², ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಇಟ್. ಮೊದಲೇ ಎರಡು ಕಲರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುದು, ಅದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್ ಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅದರ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 10⁻². ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಲರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್, that is of 10%, silver of 10%. Okay, this is how we can write the resistance value for it. Okay, if I more elaborate it, therefore I can write it as 2200 plus or minus 10% also I can write it. Otherwise I can also write it as 2.2 kilo ohm. I can also write it as 2.2 kilo ohm resistance with a tolerance of 10%. Okay, then question will arise, what is the use of this tolerance? Okay, this tolerance will give the, what you say, error part in a given ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಕ್ಯುರೇಸಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2.2 ಕಿಲೋ ಓಮ್ ಕಿಂತ 10% ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆನೂ ಬರ್ಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಕಡಿಮೆನೂ ಬರ್ಬಹುದು. ಈ ಐಡಿಯಾನ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟೂ ಕಲರ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Okay, that is again I think it's a good problem now. Okay, that is first two colors with the number, again I am repeating, first two colors with the number, third color with the multiplier and fourth color with the tolerance. Okay, if it is so, first one is what now here, it is taking out yellow now. Okay, yellow number ಏನದ check ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, that is 4. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಂಬರೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದದ, ವೈಲೆಟ್ ಅದ. ವೈಲೆಟ್ ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತದು, 7. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಅದ್ರ ಕಲರ್ ಏನದ, ಬ್ರೌನ್ ಅದ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ನಾ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 10⁻1. 10⁻1. ಅಗೇನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತದು, 5%. therefore I can say 470 plus or minus 5% is the value of given resistor, carbon resistor value. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಒಂದ್ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಾ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ದ ನಂಬರ್, ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಲರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, okay. Here is the first problem I'm giving you. That is, first one we are having some resistor, starting with that now. That is, let us say we are having some brown, red, thereafter we are having a yellow, thereafter we are having a gold now. Thereafter we are having a gold. Okay, try to write the corresponding color number for this resistance value for this one. Brown ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, brown color ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1. okay, similarly red ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is 2, that is 2. okay, third color ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, multiplication ಆಗಬೇಕು. next yellow ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, yellow ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ multiplier ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, that is 10 raised to 4 now. 10 raised to 4, then plus or minus gold ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, that is of 5%, that is of 5%. okay, this is how we can calculate. Otherwise we can also write it as 120 into 10 raised to 3 also I can write it here now, plus or minus it is of 5%. therefore I can say it's a 120 kilo ohm. It is of 120 kilo ohm plus or minus 5% of tolerance. okay, this is one of the example. Similarly we'll take another example. okay, that is we start with the orange and gray, orange, gray, and we will take somewhere red now. okay, and thereafter we'll have a silver now. okay, with that we are having a silver. If it is so, let us check it again now. what is the color coding for the orange now? okay, color coding for the orange it is 3. similarly for the gray, it is somewhere 8 now. okay, thereafter for the red color we are having again 2. okay, sorry, I told you for the third color we have to take the multiplier, therefore we have to keep the multiplication into 10 raised to. okay, for the red color what is the multiplier, that is of 10 raised to 2. okay, plus or minus silver of 10%, silver of 10%. again we can have here it is of 3800, it is of 3800 ohm plus or minus 10%. okay, otherwise we can also write it as 3.8 kilo ohm with the tolerance of plus or minus 10%, plus or minus 10%. similarly we are having a third example. okay, you can fast forward the video, I think you know it because it's very slow I'm writing. Thereafter we are having a third one, that is a violet, red, thereafter we are having a orange somewhere, thereafter we are having somewhere silver again. Let us say we are having a silver. if it is so, let us check it now. For the violet we are having which number now, 7. similarly for the red again we are having 2. thereafter we have to keep the multiplication. For the orange we are having as 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3 plus or minus 10%, plus or minus 10%. this is how we can write the resistance value by using the color code. as per my knowledge, I think for this year, this academic they have excluded this part because already I did this video before means preparation of this slide. Don't know will they again add after some time, we don't have any idea, but it must be helpful in all your academic. if you are taking the physical science, either you go for the degree or engineer, you will face all these calculation there. okay, therefore it's better to take it as a some new exercise also. If it's not for the syllabus also, you can take a extra knowledge. okay, now move on to the next aspect. that is, we'll do the same activity, but I'll give you the number. From that you have to check it what is the color code of it now. okay, let us do that now. okay, that is, first we start with the number. I'll take the number here. It is somewhere 1.1 kilo ohm, 1.1 kilo ohm. I'm giving with the plus or minus 5% tolerance. Okay, now ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ 1.1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1100. ಹೌದು, ಓಕೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಬರದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1.1 ಇಂಟು 10⁻3, ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5%. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. therefore if multiply it will be how much now, 1100. okay, plus or minus 5%, plus or minus 5%. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ 1 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಈಗ 2 zeros ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, 10⁻2 plus or minus 5%, plus or minus 5%. therefore we are ready with the two numbers and one multiplier. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. okay, I think you can do it now. Try it now. That is, first one is we are having a brown. First color must be here brown. Thereafter again we are having a brown because next one is also brown, and we are having a 10⁻2. For the 10⁻2, what is the multiplier? That is a red. Now that is a red. Yes, our color is also red and our writing pen color is also red. Thereafter we are having a 5%, means it must be a gold. Now it must be a gold now. okay, similar, we'll take a second example now. That is of somewhere 100 kilo ohm. Okay, let's take a different value, somewhere 200 kilo ohm, and plus or minus 10%, let's say. After doing this one, we are having a very important problem at the end, because which I think that will be clearing all the doubts if we are having. okay, still now also. okay, that is here we have to write in the again numbers and multiplier form. therefore 2, okay, ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 00. ಓಕೆ, ಕಿಲೋ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು, 10⁻3 ಬರಿಬೇಕೀಗ. 10⁻3 plus or minus it is of 10%. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇದು 2 ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಈಗ ಈ ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ಕೂಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10⁻3 and 10⁻4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತದು. okay, therefore third we are prepared with what now, a multiplier, plus or minus 10%. okay, therefore we are ready with the colors now. That is, for the second one we are having again red. Second one we are having a red. okay. For the 0 we are having a black, red, black. Thereafter we are having a 10⁻4, means it must be a multiplier, that is of yellow color. That is of yellow, and 10% means it must be a silver. Now it must be a silver. okay, let us go for the third numerical. let us say again another one. Generally I will take it simple now. That is 1 kilo ohm. We'll take a 1 kilo ohm, plus or minus somewhere we'll take it as 5%. okay, again you have to solve this one now. 1 into 10⁻3, 1 into 10⁻3 plus or minus 5%, plus or minus 5%. okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಉಳಿಕಿದ್ದ ಪವರ್ ಅದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಈಗ 1000 ಅನ್ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನಾನು, 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದೇನೀಗ 10⁻2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10 ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. plus or minus 5%, plus or minus 5%. now let us write down now. okay, that is, first one is what now, again it's a brown. Then for the 0 we have to take again, yes, black. It must be a black color. Thereafter we are having a 10⁻2. 10⁻2 means it's a red now. okay, plus or minus 5% means it must be a gold now. It must be a gold. Okay. This is how we can solve the different problems in two formats for the carbon resistor. At the end, we are having one what you say summary numerical like that. Let us try to solve this one now, step by step now. Okay, that is what they are given. The sequence of bands marked on a carbon resistor is first one is yellow, red, and orange. Okay, that is I'll copy this one so that it will be helpful for us now. Okay, okay, okay. With this one, we try to solve now. Okay, yellow, red, orange, and silver. We are having what is its resistance? Therefore, we start with the first problem now. ಓಕೆ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನಂಬರ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂತು ಈಗ 4, ಸರಿನಾ? ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ರೆಡ್, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ರೆಡ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ನಾ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾರ. ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾನು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅದರದ್ದು? 10⁻3. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ 10⁻3. okay, thereafter we are having a silver now. Thereafter we are having a silver now. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ ಅದು? 10% plus or minus 10%. This is the resistance value of a given carbon resistor ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? Explain ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay. Okay, therefore I can give here some ohm resistor. Okay, now we are moving to the next one. That is, in the second step he is asking you, that is, what is the tolerance he is asking. It's a straightforward. That tolerance is how much now here? It's a 10%. Okay, it's a 10%. Okay, then the important question will come. That is, what is the range of resistance he is asking you. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 42 ಕಿಲೋ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು? 42 ಕಿಲೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 10% ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 10% ಕಡಿಮೆನೂ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಲಾಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ನಾ. Okay, that is we are given with the how much resistor? That is of 42 kilo ohm. ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is first 42 kilo ohm resistor, okay, into 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 3. ಹೌದು, ಇದರದ್ದು 10% ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ ನಮಗ ಟಾಲರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ? ರೇಂಜ್. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ಈ 10% ಅನ್ನೋದು 42 ಕಿಲೋ ಮುದ್ದು 10%. ಹೌದಾ? ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೇವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 42 into 10 raised to 3, 42 into 10 raised to 3, and 10% of, and we have to take the 10% of 42 kilo ohm. 10% of 42 kilo ohm, that is 42 into 10 raised to 3. It's a very good example. Okay, therefore no problem. There is a 4000. Okay, it's a 40 sorry, it's a 42,000 plus or minus. Okay, therefore if I solve this one, we are having here 1 4 3 means how many zeros? 4 zeros. In that 2 zeros we are left with that now only. Therefore 4200, I think. Right, 42 000 4 zeros. Okay, it's a yes. We left with only 2 zeros, means we can get the two types of the values. One is 42,000 plus 4,200 plus 4,200 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 46200. 46200. Okay, that is the one value of resistance I can obtain. Otherwise another value what can I obtain now? 42,000 minus, okay, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೀಗ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ತು 4200. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 37,800. 37800 ಓಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ವೇರಿ ಆಗಬಹುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 46,200 ದಿಂದ it can vary up to 37,800 ohm. Okay, that is the range it can have. Okay, these are all discussion regarding what now carbon resistors. Okay, in the next session I think we are entering into the about the resistivity. Okay, until that go through this concept. Okay, at least have a glance on it. I don't know it will be again added or added in the syllabus. I don't know, I don't have any idea, but have the glance on this one. Okay, thank you.